Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One hadith, one story. Today's story title is The Belt. Mansur was a very naughty child. He used to hurt his brothers. He was always quarreling and was very rude. His behavior upset his mother terribly. She would always advise him, "Dear, don't hurt other people's feelings. Don't say rude things to people." But Mansur would never admit that he was wrong. He would say, "It's not my fault. I haven't done anything wrong. They made me furious, which made me behave like that." One day, his mother told him that if he didn't fight with anyone until evening, she would buy him a belt that he had seen in a shop window. He really wanted that belt. His brothers overheard what his mother had said and tried to pick an argument with him, but they couldn't make him angry. Mansur had decided to control himself for once. In the evening, his mother called him. "I see that you can control yourself for a belt. You should also do this for Allah, as this is what He ordered, not for simple material things." Friends, if only someone had told Mansur the following hadith of our Holy Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that I guarantee that anyone who does not fight, even when provoked, shall be given a mansion in paradise. I hope you like the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.